the ultimate guide to earning money through freelancing. Introduction. In recent years, freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to earn money and build a flexible career. With the advent of digital technology and the rise of remote work, more and more individuals are choosing to freelance across various industries. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, freelancing offers a plethora of opportunities to monetize your skills and work on your own terms. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps and strategies to successfully earn money through freelancing. Choosing your freelancing niche. Identify your skills and interests to determine the freelancing niche that aligns with your expertise. Consider your previous work experience, education, and personal interests to find a niche where you can provide value and stand out from the competition. Building your freelancing brand. Craft a strong personal brand that showcases your skills and professionalism. Develop a compelling portfolio or website to showcase your work samples and highlight your expertise. Leverage social media platforms to establish your online presence and connect with potential clients. Finding freelancing opportunities. Explore various platforms and websites that connect freelancers with clients. Popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of job opportunities. Additionally, network within your industry, attend conferences, and join relevant professional communities to find potential clients and projects. Setting competitive pricing. Determine your rates based on factors such as your experience, expertise, and the complexity of the project. Research industry standards and analyze the pricing of other freelancers in your niche. Start with competitive rates to attract clients and gradually increase your prices as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Creating an effective proposal. Craft a compelling proposal that addresses the client's needs and demonstrates how your skills can help achieve their goals. Tailor your proposals for each project and showcase relevant examples from your portfolio. Highlight your unique selling points to stand out from other freelancers bidding for the same project. Delivering high-quality work. Once you secure a freelancing project, focus on delivering exceptional work that exceeds client expectations. Communicate regularly with your clients to ensure you understand their requirements and provide progress updates. Deliver work on time and be open to feedback to foster long-term client relationships and secure positive reviews. Conclusion. Freelancing offers an incredible avenue for individuals to earn money, pursue their passions, and enjoy the freedom of a flexible work schedule. By following the steps outlined in this guide and continuously honing your skills, you can unlock the full potential of freelancing and create a rewarding and lucrative career on.